Welcome to a lovely sunny morning on Trent Way in Kearsley, and this is just an opportunity to have a little look. Really, it's almost a coming soon video, but the building's available and you can welcome to come and have a look and get an idea of what it's going to be like when it's finished. As you can see, it's undergone major surgery really. We've had the porch extension, we've got the dormers upstairs, and we've got a fabulous ground floor extension with open plan, kitchen, diner, family room, bifold doors. It's almost there and it's gonna be absolutely fabulous. Before we go in and have a look around, I'm just gonna spin around and just show you the cul-de-sac and the street view scene. The position really is great. There's virtually no passing traffic whatsoever. We've got a nice long driveway. Again, bits and pieces are going to be done to here. The skip's going to go, of course it is. Inside, it's been rewired, it's been extended. It's going to be fabulous. Just look how big the building is, first and foremost. We've got the dormers as well on the back. And then just as we step round, you'll see that the gardens are just beginning to take a little bit of shape. We've got new fencing in and bits and pieces, but this is the bit I want to show you. Look at this extension here. Bifold doors at the back. You can see the dormer there at the top. It is going to be something special. It really is. The kitchen's going in there. We'll get some artist impressions of what it's going to look like. It's all going to be decorated. And just look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Really is going to be something so special. We've got 3 bedrooms upstairs, a nice big living room, separate utility. This is all going to be an open plan kitchen, diner, family room. Plus we've got the separate living room as well. It's going to be fabulous.